oh, you know what? I didn't know that you guys you had me marked as optional. Oh, my apologies. Let me move you to required because we definitely need you there. Would you be, can we count on you for the next meeting? It's scheduled for Friday. Is that good? Right now it's Wednesday. So would that work? Yeah, absolutely. Great. See, family, what I'm showing you there is I'm saying that you can't you can't just outright assume that just because someone is not joining your meeting that they don't want to be there. Now, sometimes it's true. I'm just going to tell you that. Sometimes it's true, but then there's other times where this is why it's important. My father, he would always say this. He said, "This is why it's always good to talk." And what that means is basically having that dialogue. And the example I just gave you, he seen that he was marked down optional, and so he was just like, "Well, I guess I don't really need to show up because they're good." So now that I know that, now I say, oh, okay, well, no, we need you at required. So let me make you a required attendee so you'll know that, hey, when we have this meeting that's coming up on Friday, that you can attend. All right, family. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I gave you a little bit more, but communication, whether written or verbal, is very key to be an exceptional project manager. Until next time, this is your boy ED. I'm going.